BULL stock analysis and price predictions for Monday 21st of July. Is Webull stock a buy? I'm going to be breaking all of it down in this brief and short 1-minute video. Now, video being made at 6:11 a.m. All I'm looking to do is just definitely buy, and pre-market, as you can see, is even at 15 bucks. So this is sick because it's in my demand zone. So how would that look like? Well, I'll just take everything that I have here, put it where it's supposed to be. And all I'm doing in the meantime is just simply waiting for rules to be met. If rules are not met, then I'm not simply going to buy. Like, doesn't get any simpler than that. You know what I mean? So, bull, let's pop up here. Oh, yeah, I've got some receipts on Webull. And other than that, if you want to get my money making emails and insights for free, and stay tuned with Bull, click the first link in the description and get my free emails and insights. But other than that, crazy could break. I just hope I see some little correction so I can then take it even further higher. So I'm very, very excited about this. Stay tuned, though, and I'll see you in the next one.